Good day to you traders and welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Forex Forecast. As we do on this channel on weekends, on Saturdays we run through weekly Forex Forecast where we cover asset updates on 9 charts of Forex pairs and metals. Sundays we do weekly stock market forecast, while Monday through Friday we run through the charts to look out for daily trade setups in the assets. And if you check down in the description of this video, there's a timestamp so you can go through to the assets you are more interested in. So hope you like this video. Hope you have fun and happy trading for the next week. See you and bye bye. On euro dollar for this week, euro dollar this week gave this drop, and so we want to watch for an up move to complete this correction before more downside will come through, and then to start the bigger correction for the drop. We expect this correction to come through for us on euro dollar before it will resume the buy outside. So this week we want to watch out for this move. If we zoom to 4-hour time frame on euro dollar, on the 4-hour time frame it still has some downside momentum that we are looking out for the possibility of this flat before more downside will come through for us. So we want to watch out for this possibility on euro dollar for this week. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame we see that we have the divergence between the lows here and the lows on the MACD. So we want to watch out for the possibility of a reversal upside by Monday for this move before they resume the dropping downside. So this is what I want. On pound dollar for this week, pound dollar at present has been dropping aggressively to the downside. So we want to watch for any small correction for it to come back to this low, as we see this as an A, B, C flat for more upside. So we want to watch out for more sales on pound dollar for this week. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we must remember they give us this up momentum, so they can also give us that momentum at any moment before they will resume the dropping downside. You know they are coming to this low where there is possibility of this running flat, so we want to watch out for it this week on pound dollar. So if we zoom to the 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame we want to watch for, we want to enter into this sale, we have to allow them come back upside a bit before we resume the dropping to the downside. So we want to watch out for that. You can only take a sell after some form of correction for a month. On Aussie dollar for this week, Aussie dollar dropped, and right now it is giving us corrective structure here. This can tap the low, give us a flat and drop more to the downside. So we are looking out for the completion of this flat structure they are making here. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on Aussie dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch out for this, as we expect this is sideways correction for tag this low and then give us one more upside before they resume the dropping to the downside. So we want to watch out for that. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on Aussie dollar for this week. On the 1-hour time frame, after breaking this level, we expect one more flat, retest this low, and then reverse back upside for us, complete the flat and drop down. So this is what we want to watch out for this week. By Monday, Tuesday, they should give us this sell, and by Wednesday, they should give us this buy upside. So we want to watch out for that. On New Zealand dollar for this week, New Zealand dollar at present gave us this drop, and right now it's giving us a flat structure. So we want to wait out the completion of the flat and more downside to come through for us. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on New Zealand dollar, on the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch out for this corrective structure they are making. We expect them to tag the low and give us an up move before they resume the drop back downside. So we want to watch out for that. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame on New Zealand dollar for this week, New Zealand dollar is attempting to give us a small flat here in a retest of this low before they will bounce back upside to give us this correction and then resume the dropping downside. So we want to watch out for this sell by Monday, and then Tuesday it should start giving us this buy setup upside. So we want to watch out for that on New Zealand dollar for this week. On dollar Swiss for this week, dollar Swiss at present give us this buy upside, and since then it has been giving attempt to give us a flat correction here before they resume this climb upside. As we expect, they will give us this running flat structure before they will continue the drop downside. So this week we want to look out for completion of this correction and more upside momentum. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar Swiss. On the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch this. They are presently correcting back upside. Once they are through this correction, they'll give us one more drop before they will take off to the upside for us. So this week we want to watch out for the drop by Monday, and then Tuesday they should start the upside momentum for us. So we want to watch out for that. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on dollar Swiss. Once again, we want to watch out for this can retest the stop. Doesn't matter. We are looking for the sell downside before it will resume back the climb. So we want to watch out for it. By Monday they should give us a sell, and Tuesday, Wednesday buy setup. On dollar yen for this week, dollar yen at present on the daily is correcting here after this drop. So we want to watch out for this correction, as it seems they are giving us this move right now. This move we can see at the moment that they are forming for us a correction for one more drop, as we see that this was the A, so they are in the B right now. So we want to watch out for the completion of this correction, first with this flat and then drop. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar yen for this week, we want to look out for this. This is a sell in the making. We expect them by Monday they should drop down and then come back upside to complete this flat structure for us. What we want to expect from dollar yen before they resume the dropping for the meantime. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame on dollar yen, on the 1-hour time frame, we want to watch this. On dollar CAD for this week, dollar CAD at present is on this, is correcting after this buy momentum is correcting here. So we want to watch out for it after the completion of the flat, more upside to come through for us. So we want to watch out for that as it develops this week. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar CAD. On the 4-hour time frame at present, they are giving us a sideways corrective structure here. So we want to watch out for it. Once it's through, to give us a drop and then take off upside. This is what we want to watch out for on dollar CAD. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, we want to watch out for this. At present, this looks like the A, B, C. We expect one more drop here, one more climb, and a bigger drop before they will give us the buy for upside. So we want to watch out for this as it develops this week on dollar CAD. On gold for this week, gold at present gave this drop and is climbing back upside. So we want to watch for a flat to drop back to this low level for it to resume this climb if it's going up. Although even if it's going up, it still be a bigger correction before it will continue. It has to still complete this whole flat. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on gold. On the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch. We're looking out for sell opportunity right now to complete this pattern A, B, C. So we want to watch out for sell opportunity on gold for this week. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. We want to watch out for that. It can retest this top and then come back for us with a sell setup. Then we'll be interested in this drop the downside back to this low. So we want to look out for this sell this week on gold. Sell setup to the low. That's what we want to watch out for. On silver for this week, silver at present has been climbing back upside, correctively climbing upside. So at present we're looking at this as potentially a running flat for one more drop before they resume the momentum, as we see this as potentially A, B, C. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, we want to watch out for that correction. It can drop back here, give another retest of this top before it will drop. So we are looking out for this sell back to this low level to complete this A, B, C before it will then resume the momentum upside. So we want to watch out for this sell this week on silver. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, if this gives us a flat here to be a good sell setup, back and break even once it gets to this trend line, as it can reverse back upside for one more top before giving us the sell we are looking for, or this can drop through. So we want to watch out for that. So that will be it for this